Welcome to Emily Vlog Life Nature Edition. Some people might call it Emily Nature Life. We're going to go on a little tour of FSU's campus and their foliage.
It's December, but that doesn't mean that the fall foliage is over here in Tallahassee. There's still beautiful leaves to see everywhere.
So we're here to show you some leaf checks.
It's fall, y'all. This here is a ginkgo tree. It's native to southern China, but you can find it in the Panhandle of Florida and southern Georgia. And yeah, it's a beautiful golden yellow color in the fall. And this is our first leaf check.
So here we have the Florida maple, one of Florida's maple trees. As you can see, it is a red color. And that's this tree's leaf check.
Just some fall fun going on here in Tallahassee. Listen to that sound.
Leaf sound check.
What a nice sound. So, I know what you're thinking. It's not weed, folks. This is a Japanese maple tree, and it turns a beautiful shade of ruby red in the fall. And it's a very nice ornamental that has origins in Japan, but it can be grown here in northern Florida. Woo! Happy fall! Leaf angel! I love Tallahassee. Leaf check.
We have this action shot of this big yellow tree in front of Strozier, the library here at FSU.
This is a beautiful, I don't know what type of tree this is, but we just got a beautiful tree here on Landis Green. Very tall, very grand, very yellow. It's made for some beautiful leaf checking. So, leaf check.
Here we have a bald cypress. They are native to swamps, so I guess they're in New Orleans, in the bayou. Shout out Princess and the Frog. But we're not in the swamp, so what a treat we have here at Florida State.
Go Knowles.
Go Knowles. Leaf check. Special feature.
Hey guys, here we have a longleaf pine. These are native to Central and South Florida. You can see by their long pine needles that they are distinct from their family member, the shortleaf pine, right over here. You can see the pine needles are drastically shorter on this tree than they are on this one. And these babies are
do that again.
To Georgia and the Mid-South. And you can't find many of these here in Florida except for in the Panhandle.
Long, short.
Long and short leaf. That's it, folks. Leaf and long leaf. A needle check. Special feature.
So here we have an American elm tree. Another treat here on Florida State University. Because they're not native to Florida. They're native to America. Did I say it was an American elm? It's an American elm. You can find these in Georgia, Alabama, and the tree. Alabama, and other places in America. And it's so nicely featured here in front of the HCB Park campus and this lovely sewer. So let's get a nice wide shot of this American elm. Now let's just talk about the history of America. America was founded in the 1700s due to the Revolutionary War, where we defeated the Great Britain. What happened next? Oh, the Declaration of Independence. And some years went by, and then eventually Nicolas He stole the Declaration of Independence. And here we are.
This here's a white oak. It is it's not really white, so it's funny that they call it that, but yeah, it's like red right now. This also might be a red oak. I'm not sure, to be honest, but it's either a white oak or a red oak. But you can see, if you want to see like the leaves losing chlorophyll in action, check this out. You can see basically the green starts to disappear from the leaves and they start to gain a red pigment because the chlorophyll cells in the leaf are basically, as it gets colder at night and as there's less and less sunlight during the day, the leaves start to stop producing chlorophyll, and so they turn a red color. Leaf check. Here's a wide view of the white or red oak. It's fall, y'all. Woo! Look at like the leaves on the bench. That's like such a fall thing. We live on a beautiful campus, y'all. I love FSU. Look at this tree right here. That one. It's already losing its leaves. Winter's upon us here at Florida State. Here we are at Integration Statue. Don't mind the construction. It'll probably be going on for another year.
Beautiful backdrop.
Yeah, oh, lovely.
Scenery.
Lovely, yeah.
Look at that big crane. Oh, Josh, I have to tell you something that happened today. I'll say it on that while I film trees. Okay, so I was walking into class in the Health and Wellness Center.
Mm-hmm.
There's like stairs like at the entrance, and this guy like bounded, like he jumped to the fourth one, but it looked like he was floating, like so effortless, and I thought it was magical.
He jumped up to the fourth stair?
Uh-huh.
Wow, people are really wild out here. Last night people were like walking back to my dorm at like 3 a.m. like they always do. Like, it's finals week, people are still going out. That doesn't stop them.
Yeah,
But
they're going out and learning.
yeah, we'll say that, yeah. But they were like coming back into my dorm at like 3 a.m. and like screaming, and I was like, okay, I'm ready to leave. Like, they were screaming. I was like worried, but people are crazy. Thanks for coming on this fall journey with us here at FSU.
It's been a fun time, full of knowledge and jokes.
That's it.
Now that it's December, winter's upon us. Did you see the tree in the background?
No,
No leaf check.